Hi, I'm Kyle Bachus, and today I'm going to be answering a commonly asked question. What's the average personal injury settlement amount? Well, the only way to really know the approximate value of your case is to have an evaluation from an experienced personal injury attorney. Personal injury claim settlement amounts vary based on many important factors, including the laws that apply in the state where you're injured, the severity of the injuries, and whether they're permanent or not. Medical expenses is a huge component of your case. In Colorado, you're entitled to recover the full retail value of all medical expenses. Legal factors such as who is at fault and the interpretation of other laws and the merits of your claim are also going to affect the value of your case. And of course, we always have to consider the defendant's ability to pay and whether there is insurance or not. And of course, the quality and experience of your legal representation is going to have a big impact on the value of your case. An experienced personal injury attorney can make sure you're getting the maximum settlement amount that you deserve. For more information on what to do if you're in a car accident, visit our website or contact us today.